Welcome to the CDD Vault Electronic Laboratory Notebook Feature Tour. The CDD Vault informatics platform includes an ELN, which allows you to easily store and search across your unstructured experimental data. In addition, the ELN is tightly integrated with the activity and registration system, allowing you to easily connect between your structured and unstructured data. This particular entry will highlight the features of the ELN in the context of a chemical reaction. I have filled in a custom title. You can utilize some administrative tools to lock an entry or send it through a witnessing workflow. You can export your entries, view an audit trail, since multiple users can collaborate within an ELN entry at the same time, depending on their permissions, and you can even duplicate an ELN entry. This allows you to predefine templates for your users to work off of. In addition, you can set up as many configurable user-defined metadata fields as you'd like within the ELN, and these can contain information such as text and numbers, controlled vocabulary pick lists, file attachments, and date fields. The purpose of these fields is to allow you to more easily sort through your complex entries. Moving into the body of the ELN, unless you start from a template, you will be presented with a blank canvas, and you can utilize the text editing features in the toolbar in order to populate the text in your page, such as your reaction steps and your procedures, using various text sizes, bold, underline, italics, and even lists. If you'd like to add more structure to your ELN entries, one way you can do that is with the concept of linking, as I've done here, linking to the previous reaction step ELN entries. In order to insert a link, simply click on the page, navigate to the toolbar, click the Insert a Link icon, and begin searching for either an ELN entry title or a pre-registered molecule or even set of assay data. Upon making a selection and saving changes, we will automatically populate a link to that particular location in CDD Vault. In addition, as a full chemistry ELN, you can click on the benzene icon in the toolbar and import or draw your own structures or chemical reactions. If you draw a chemical reaction, we will automatically recognize that and populate a stoichiometry table for you. If you have drawn any structures which are registered in your vault or a vault that you belong to, we will recognize those and allow you to select the particular batch that you have used of that compound. We will then update the formula weights accordingly, and you can set mass amounts, purity, and even limiting reagents, as well as comments, and we will update the stoichiometry table accordingly. You can then add reagents above and below the reaction arrow, or right here within the table. Additionally, if you have solvents, you can add solvents within the stoichiometry table from a list of pre-populated solvents that we have, and we will populate the density and boiling point for that particular solvent. Once you have finished capturing your stoichiometry, you can then write out your procedure. As you can see here, there is a link to the particular reactants with the amounts and concentrations, and that is available to you by clicking the Insert Link icon, and the components of the stoichiometry table are the first available links. In addition, you can upload any file type you like right into the ELN, either by dragging and dropping or the Insert Attachment icon. Images and PDFs are rendered as thumbnails. Other file types will be a blue clickable link for you to download and edit on your computer. We also have an Office 365 integration, which allows you to view and edit Office documents in Office for the web, and you can even bulk import assay data or register compounds right from the ELN into your registration system. If you'd like to easily search across any of this data in your ELN entry, simply scroll to the top, click on the ELN tab, and that will open up the ELN search interface. The first component of the search interface is selecting a project. That's because every single user, molecule, piece of data, and ELN entry lives in a project. Once you have made your project selection, you can then come to the Filter Entries icon. You can see here that I have applied filters for the author of the entry, those custom metadata fields, so the experiment type, and even a text-based reaction type. In addition, I can combine filtering with keyword or key phrase searching, and we will search all of your ELN entries either in the body or text-based attachments like Word documents and PDFs for that key phrase or word. And finally, you can combine all of this with structure-based searching by clicking the benzene icon. Clicking that launches your structure editor, which allows you to import a pre-registered structure from your vault or draw a new structure. Selecting Use this structure will search across your entries and highlight in green where that structure is present. All of these searching capabilities will allow you to easily find the specific ELN entry that you are looking for.